Hello and welcome to another perlani video. So today I'm going to be showing my top 5 DuckDuckGo tricks, starting with the define command. So if I just type define and then any word that I like, let's pick from here and say elucidate. So elucidate, to make clear or plain, especially by explanation. So basically what this will do is above the search results, it's going to give you this section right here, which shows you the definition of that word. And this is from the American Heritage Dictionary. You can also get the audio feedback.
Elucidate.
And this is of course under the definition tab. So if I go all, I'm just going to get my standard results definition. I'm going to get also the definition. So that's pretty cool. The second thing is, if we type, let's say is, and then we type the name of the website, like let's just use wikipedia.org, and then we type down, and then what it will say under the answer tab, again we have all results and the answer tab, it's going to say wikipedia.org seems to be up. It'll say how long it took to get the response from the IP address. So this is especially useful if you can't seem to access a particular website, like Wikipedia. Let's say I can't access Wikipedia, and I'm not sure if the problem is on my end or theirs. If I type is wikipedia.org down, it's gonna tell me that it's up, so that means that the problem would be on my end. Okay, let's go forward. We can also use a timer. So if I type 10 minutes, so any time, and under answer, again tab, always pick the tab. What's going to do, it's going to start a timer, and I can also name it. So let's say I need to take a pause. Okay, so what this does is when these 10 minutes are up, there's going to be an audible feedback, and I'll know that I need to take a pause. I can also add a few more of these timers. I can also remove them very easily. I can pin this as a tab and do something else, and then when this time is up, it's gonna give me a feedback. So that's pretty cool. Okay, the next thing is the calculator. So again, we all know that we have the Windows calculator, but if you prefer to have something in your browser, you can also just type something like 10 plus 2, doesn't really matter, and then again under these tabs we pick calculator, and we get a calculator. And I can also type here, so I can just select 5 times 5. I can also use my numpad on my keyboard. Okay, doesn't really matter. And I can also again pin this tab, and I can have this tab as my calculator tab. That's pretty cool. So if I just if I just select the tab, I can automatically type in the calculator with my numpad. And the last trick is regarding the weather. So if I type the name of a city, so let's say London, weather, I'm going to get the weather again under the weather tab. So I can have it in Celsius or Fahrenheit. 63 degrees, humidity, wind, 4 p.m. clear, and I get a 10-day prognosis. So if I just select Saturday, it's gonna say mostly cloudy throughout the day. So you can get a pretty good info very fast on the weather.